ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡು ಬಂತು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ತಾರೆಯರನ್ನು ಮೀರಿಸುವಂತಹ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅತ್ಯದ್ಭುತ ಸೆಟ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲಾಗಿರುವ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಅಧೀನದ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಶಂಕರ ಅಡ್ಯಂತಾಯ ಸ್ಮಾರಕ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದೇ ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಂಕರ ಅಡ್ಯಂತಾಯ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಪಿಯು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ 2018-19 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ. ದೇರ್ಲಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಅಧೀನದ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಶಂಕರ ಅಡ್ಯಂತಾಯ ಸ್ಮಾರಕ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾಚರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾಚರಣೆ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾನ್ವಿತರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ವಿತರಣಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭವೂ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು.
Bright faces that are present among us here today, the talents will be the citizens of tomorrow. Good morning, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. On this auspicious and even so delightful evening of the 20th annual day celebration of NSAM Pre-University College, it's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to you all. Your presence makes us happy. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our highly honorable chief guest of this pleasant evening of the annual day, Dr. Alka Kulkarni, Registrar, Nitte Education Trust, will later share with us her experience and knowledge will surely benefit us all. Welcome to you. I welcome our principal, Professor T.S.N. Bhatt, the president of today's function. Your endless care and guidance, support prove that you are a great leader. Welcome to you. I extend a gracious welcome to our respected Vice Principal, Mrs. Annapurna Nayak, who is our support and source of inspiration. Welcome to you. I would also like to welcome the Secretary of the Students' Council, Pooja Shetty, who has put in a lot of time and hard work towards today's program. Welcome to you.
A warm welcome to you too. I would here like to call upon Mrs. Divya K. Shetty, lecturer in English, to introduce about our today's chief guest.
It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the chief guest of today's function, Professor Dr. Alka Kulkarni. She is a science graduate, completed MBA in 1985 and acquired postgraduate diploma in computer applications in 1991. Her doctoral studies on the topic Quality Management Systems in Higher Education, a study in Karnataka, enabled her to obtain PhD. Her career began as an administrative manager in industry and was followed by her moving to a teaching career in 1989, being as a lecturer and rising to the post of professor. She was the first lady special officer of the Visvesvaraya Technological University and made a distinct mark in the administration of the university from 2002 to 2008.
Success occurs when it is the only option you are left with. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Today, I feel very proud and honored to stand before you to announce Excellence Awards to our students. I request our chief guest to honor our students with the Excellence Awards. High achievement always takes place in the framework of high expectations. Now I take the privilege to call upon the toppers of the annual examinations conducted for the academic year 2017-18. I request the students to receive the cash prize from the chief guest. To begin with, we have Nihal Jagdish of 2nd Commerce, who has secured highest marks in first few annual examination conducted in the year 2018. Enthusiasm and teamwork. Out of these 4 squads, 2 have emerged as the winner and runner. Now it is the time to announce the runner, and the runners are White Caps. I call upon team captain Shravishri and the team to receive the prize from the chief guest. To put the team together and bring out this commendable achievement. I request the audience to cheer up the team captain and her team member as they receive the award. I'll take this opportunity to announce the best volunteer for the year 2018-19. This award has been given by recognizing the volunteer service of the student, their reliability and integrity, the teamwork and organizational skills. We have with us one such student who is enthusiastic, selfless, and has given 100% contribution as a volunteer. Moreover, he is an excellent photographer, which is so evident right in front of you. The best volunteer is Dhanush from 2nd CBAS. That is, Student of the Year. It is an award given to the student considering the all-round performance of the student who has performed well during the course of education. It was really a tough task to select one student out of hundreds. We found one such student who has been actively representing the college at intercollegiate events as well as an active volunteer and a participant in all the events conducted in the college. Moreover, he has the qualities of a responsible leader and a team player. And it is none other than, students, any guesses? Any guesses? Sorry, the student of the year for the academic year 2018-19 is R. Nagraj from 2nd Science. Students, put your hands together for the huge round of applause as this is the most prestigious award of our college.
I am happy to receive this award as it was very surprise. And first and foremost, I would like to thank Ankit Shetty, who has supported me in all the activities from my back. And I think this award should go for him, but it came from me. Thank you, Ankit. And also thank all my friends for supporting in all the activities. Thank you. And also thank my lecturers for supporting me. Thank you all.
To conclude with the quote, success doesn't lie in results, but in efforts. Being the best is not so important, doing the best is all that matters. Thank you, one and all.
The chief guest, Dr. Alka Kulkarni, to address the gathering.
Principal of the college, Professor T. Shankar Narayan Bhatt, Vice Principal, Mrs. Anpurna Naik, Office Bearers of the Student Council, President Ankit and Pooja, faculty members, students and invited guests. The invited guests, I'm told there are parents also among the audience, and I'm sure the parents who are here would be proud of their children here. And it is my privilege to participate in this 20th annual day function of the college. There is a saying that student life is a golden life, because the student life is most important part of human life. I am sure students are already digressing and trying to think. I hear some commotion behind, which I think should not be there. I know the students of this age, we are still, you are all the children and you do not understand the importance of things, or maybe I am trying to think too many words of duty, responsibility, punctuality and all that. It's probably not so appreciated, especially on this day when you are already in the thought of the entertainment that is going to happen, the fun that is coming. Yes, that is important, but added to that, certain things in life that you need to have is also very important, because that is what is going to take you a long way in life. Fun, frolic and all that is very temporary, but what remains is the discipline of what you put onto yourself, which is going to take you a long way ahead. Now at this particular stage, there are particular few things I would just like to tell you. Now from this day, this is an important day. For you, this is again like you are like at a crossroads. So till you join PUC after 10th, you have one crossroad where you start thinking, what should I take? Arts, commerce, science. These are the three major disciplines. So you start thinking, which one should I join? So that is one crossroad. You have already crossed it and you have joined a particular stream. This is the second crossroads in your lives. From here, where do I go? Which course do I take? What is important? Which courses are successful? And I'm sure the students are so well aware of the various courses, the colleges, the rankings of the colleges, the good colleges, best colleges, that I need not go into the details of that. What I want to only say is, this is a crossroad. Please think about your passions and try to decide. And just don't try to, your friend has gone to say medicine, I also want to go to medicine. No. See whether you have the aptitude, you have a particular passion, and then try to follow your dreams. Never follow anyone else's path unless you are in woods. If you are in some woods or forest and then you are lost and you see a path, by all means you can follow that there. But don't try to follow it otherwise just because you want to follow your friend.
Staff and also parents who have assembled here along with their words. I feel extremely happy to be with you on this special day. These days, I mean college day or sports day or any prize distribution day or any kind of special occasions, we expect the students to be very smart, creative, exhibiting their talents, patience, and also other qualities which are required during this period of life. As it is already said by our chief guest, this life has many ups and downs. I think the best creative age is 15 to 20. And you enjoy if you are more creative and if you achieve more in every field. Selecting fields are very difficult nowadays because influences from all sides, pressures from all sides make you confused.
I now request our chief guest to honor Amrita Paimaru, who has taught in commerce.
With the motto of Jnana, Sheela and Ekata. The college for the past 20 years has been training young men and women through formal collegiate education and preparing them for life with a vision to build a humane society through excellency in education. The institution aims at the all-round development of the student by providing the best means for their intellectual, moral, cultural, physical and spiritual growth. professional education institution in medical, dental, engineering, architecture, pharmacy, management, nursing, physiotherapy and journalism, and one university. In addition to this, there are 8 hospitals and specialized centers and PCMS in the science stream and 3 combinations EBAS, CBAS and EBAB in the commerce stream. We have altogether 10 sections in both first and second PUC. Student strength. For the academic year, Dr. Mohana B, lecturer in Kannada, and Mrs. Divya Shetty, lecturer in English, joined the college. Toppers of the college in science, T.J. Akesh scored 94.33% with 100 in mathematics and computer science. Amrita Pai Marur of commerce has scored 95.5%, securing 100 in statistics. A cash prize was awarded for the toppers of both the streams. A series of talks were held in connection with the orientation program conducted for the first year student. The orientation program was conducted on the May 31st by Dr. C. Carmelita Govies, retired principal from Crescent Evening College, Mangalore, and Professor Uday Kumar, Vice Principal, Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara Law College, Mangalore. They briefed the student about the career guidance program. Vishwa Vijeta celebration of 125th anniversary of Swami Vivekananda's Chicago address, conducted by Sri Krishna Upadhyaya, was held on 3rd November 2018. He asked the student to realize their duties and responsibilities in building a vibrant nation.
Our students and all the parents, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the chief guest. As a mark of our love and respect, I request our principal to present a small memento to the chief guest. I like to thank my teachers, the old students, the parents and all my friends for making this function memorable one. Thank you.
Students and teachers have strived hard to put up a beautiful cultural event today. Here's a video behind the scenes.
For the cultural events, but there is a person who has put a lot of effort to make this event very beautiful, and this is our dance choreographer, Mr. Pramod Alva. It gives me immense pleasure to thank Mr. Pramod Alva, who has taken his time out for training our students for today's cultural event.
Classical dance forms of India. Those are Kathak, Bharatanatyam and Odissi. It is originated in South India and also in North India. So, let's review all the 3 major classical dance forms of India.
Where is the
See
guy?
there. Who is he? Oh shit, I can't control myself.
Now students, I would like to introduce Mr. Katappa and Mr. Bahubal, who are our tour guide. Hello students.
Namaskar. Myself Katappa. We are gonna be your tour guide and we hope that you will enjoy our company.
Of course sir, we'll enjoy company.
Especially me.
ఆయన ಇದರ ಸಾಮಾರೆ
ಇರು ತುಳುತ್ತಾರೆ
ಅಂತೆ ಅಂತುತ್ತಾರೆ ಇರು
ಯಾರು ತುಳುತ್ತಾರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತುಳುತ್ತೀನಿ ಪಾಪದ ಜಾಬ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ.
Oh, so now we can move towards a different side of my country, India. There are many states in northern India, but one among the major states is Punjab. Punjab is famous for Golden Temple, which is situated at Amritsar. Punjab हमें पंजाबी नृत्य के लिए जाना चाहता है. So let's have a whim on Punjabi dance.
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरी
Hi, Chatus. Baru.
Coming, ma'am.
Okay, leave that. Do you all remember what I taught you yesterday?
Yesterday?
Twinkle, twinkle.
Ah, twinkle, twinkle.
Yeah, then begin.
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Very good. Next part is drawing. Be prepared.
ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ
Chotus University, Lamboda jacket mister. Inja Choita.
ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕರೀತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸರಿ. ಹುಚ್ಚಮ್ಮ, yes ma'am. ಕಚ್ಚಮ್ಮ, yes ma'am. ಚಿಟ್ಟು, ಚಿಟ್ಟು, ಕಟ್ಟು, ಕಟ್ಟು, ಮುರಾರಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಪಾಪಮ್ಮ, ಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಲ್ಲ, 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 ಏ ಮಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ನೀನೆಲ್ಲ?
ಅದು ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ರಾತ್ರಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಕುಯ್ದಿದ್ರು ಕೋಳಿ ಅಂತ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೇವ್ರೆ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು, ಬಾ ಕುತ್ಕೋ ಈಗ. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡ. ಸರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಯಾಕೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಇದೆ? ಹುಚ್ಚಮ್ಮ, ಕುತ್ಕೋ. ಏಯ್ ಪಾಪಮ್ಮ, ಅವಳು ಪಾಪ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊಡಿತಾಳೆ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾ ಸರಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪಾಠದ ಹೆಸರು ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಣ? ಅದು ಮೂರು ಕೋಣ.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ?
ಒಂದು ನೀನು.
ಒಂದು ನೀನು, ಒಂದು ನಾನು. ಅದು ಕೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತ್ರಿಕೋನ. ಆ ಕೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿ. ಮಲ್ಲ, ತಲಾಟೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಂದು.
ನಾನವನಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ
One plus one equals to 11, then he was perfect. बाकी subjects में हम full was maths में double. Maths में double, maths में double, maths में double, maths में double.
Hey students, ಸರಿ, ಇವತ್ತಿಗಿಷ್ಟು ಪಾಠ ಸಾಕು. ಇನ್ನು ನಾಳಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Só que a profissão das minas é...
Story between Romeo and Juliet.
धक्का से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है।
That's Romeo.
मैं तुमसे कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ सिमरन।
कहो।
मुझे तुमसे
Your attention please. This is the final call for all passengers traveling to London.
राहुल, मुझे जाना ही होगा।
ಐಟಿ ಕೆಲವು ಏಟೆಂಟಿನ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಬೊಚ್ಚಾನಿನ ಆ ಹೆಸರದ ಮುಂಚಿ ಗೊಬ್ಬನ ನಮ್ಮ ಇತ್ತೆ ತೂದು ಬರ್ಕ
Keep the change. Thank you. Nikeda perak kojap latikua. WhatsApp bullare.
Papa! Oh, inte Guruvayurappa. Dai mari content saipa. यार दी पंडित ने सब बात बात दी पेड़ दे मुझे आपुजी बाबा आपुजी आपुजी बाबा आने आपुजी आई ये व्हाट्सएप द नंबर केटी आई व्हाट्सएप द नंबर केटी अंदु इट्टे दाला लॉस इति औ ಬ್ಯಾರದ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದ ರಚನಾ औ ಬ್ಯಾರದ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಚನಾ ಅಪಗ ಇದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿ ಕನ್ನ ಕಡಿ ಅದು ಬರಿಕ್ಲೆ ಪಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬ್ಯಾರ ಅವಡಿಗೆ ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾರ ಅವಡು ಐತಿ ನಾನು ಏತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಂತ ಆपुजी बाबा ನಡೆದ ಆपुजी ಬೇರೆದ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತು ಕಾನೆ ಆपुजी
దాని పొందని మేముంటుంది మాత్రం అవసరం
ಇದು ಬಣ್ಣತ್ತಿ ಬಗೀರಿ ಗುರ್ತ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಸಿ ಮಗೆ ನವೀನತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನ ಮಗೆ ನವೀನೆ ಹಾ
ಇಂಚಿನಂದು ವೇಷ ಕಟ್ಟದು ನಿಮಗೆ
ಈ ಎಂಚಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋರು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಎಂಟಿ ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಡದ ಬೇರೆಗ ಕುಳಿತಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಜನ ಬರ್ಪುಸಿ ಜನ ಲೆತ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನಟ್ಟ ಅವೇರು ಬಾರಿ ನಗ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಜನ ಬರ್ ಅಂಜೆ ಇಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕ ಬಣ್ಣನೆ ಹೆಸ ಪಾಟಿ ಕುಲ್ಲಾದಿ ಕೋಳಿ ದೊಕ್ಕ ಅಂಗಡಿ ನಿನೀಕೆ ಜನ పేరు పోదుండు సుమారు పోతుంది పేరు
ఇంత ఏత కట్టలు జనాల ಬರ್ತಾರ ಮಾರಾಯ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು
ಐದು ದಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಆಮೆಂತ ಭಾರತ ಬಿತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಶ್ರವಣ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಯ್ಯ ಈ ಗಲಿಗೆ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬೇರೆ ಪತಂಬೋಯಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಪತಂಬೋಯನ
దాద అంచల పేరుకి దాద ఎందుకు నాగ కప్పిల
నాగ కంపిన మండల వస్తామన ఓట్రా ఎన్న పేరు పోనుండు
ನಮಗ ಒಂಜಿ ಬಂತ ಈ ಏಸ ಕಟ್ ಕಾಸುಗಾದು ಏಸ ಕಟ್ಟೊಚ್ಚಿ ತುಲ ಒಂದ ತೊಂದಿದ ದಾದಲ ಆವು
ಹಲೋ ಗೀತಾ
ರಾಮು ಓ ರಾಮು ಎಂಚೊಲ್ಲ
ಅವ ಅಂಚತ್ ఆయన ఆమె కెవి బ్లాక్ ఆడుతున్నా ఆమె కేరుచి ఇమెట్ మా నల్ల మన మారే కెవి కేరుడు అయి కాదు బ్యూటిడ్ మంట సమాగే
మలన రాము పుల్లుగా
పుల్లుగా కనమా అన్న ఇడే వరన్న ఇక్కడ అవుగులి యార మారే ఇరుటే మన్పనత్త
రాము ఫోన్ రింగ్ ఆపునుమే రాము ఫోన్ రింగ్
తెకి అయి ఆమెటికి మండే పోపుచి హలో యాదే సైట్కి పుల్లింగ్ రాపురా ಎಂಚಿನೇ ಅಣ್ಣ ಜೋಬುಲ ಮದುವೆ ರಾಜು ಪುಳ್ಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಹೋಗ್ತಿ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾರೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಅವು ಜಲ್ದಿ ದೀಪ 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 ಹತ್ತು ಅಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಈ ಜಂತ ಗೋಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ದಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟ ಈ ಜಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬೀರು ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೈಟ್ ಇಡಿ ಬೀರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿ ಕಟ್ವಿರ ದಾದ ಕಟ್ವಿರ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ಈಮೆನ ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಬಿಬೋದು ದಾದವತ್ತನ ಈಮೆನ
ಅವು ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿನಿ ಅವರು ಸೈಟದ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ರಜೆ ಬೋನಾಟ ಬೇರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಗೆಪ್ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗು ಬೇರೆ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ ಈ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾನೆ ಕೋಡೆ ವೈದ್ಯರು ಅವನು ಬಂದು ಯಾವ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂತೆ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪದಿಗೆ
ಅವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇರು ಜಾತಿ ಹಾ ಅಂಚ ಬರೋ ವಿಷಯ ಜೋಗ ಬರಂದಿಲ್ಲ
ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳತ್ತಿ ಬೇಗ ಬಲ ಇಂದಿನಿಂದ ಬೊಂಬೈದು ಮಾಮಿ ಬರೋಂಡು
ಅಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ನಾ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ
ಎಂಚಿನ ಅವತಾರ ನೀ ಜೋಗ್ಲೇನ ಏನೊಂದು ಗುಡ್ಡನೆ ಬಿಕ್ಕಿದಲ್ಲ ಏನೊಂದು ಓ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಯಾ ನಾನಪ್ಪ ಗುಡ್ಡ ದಿಕ್ಕಂದ ದಿಕ್ಕುಡು ಓಲೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪೊಪ್ಪಮ್ಮ ಎಂತಲ್ಲ ಯಾನು ಸೌಖ್ಯ
ಓ ನಾನು
ಜೀವನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ
ಆದಿಗೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನ ನೀವೇ ಅವನಿಂದ ತಂಗಡಿ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಬರ್ತೀನ ತಮ್ಮ ಎಸ್
ಮಾಮು ಪಂಡಿಲಕ್ಕನೆ ಕಂಡ ಸಾಧಲು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡ ಕೈ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಖರ್ಚಿಲಕೊಂಡು ಕೈ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಖರ್ಚಿಲಕೊಂಡು
ಓಹೋ ಕೈ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಿತ್ತು ಬಾನ ಹುಲಿಗೆ
ಮುಗಲು ಬೀಚಿಲಕೊಂಡು ಊರಡ್ ಬಾರಿ ಬರ್ಸನಂತೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಎಂಚ ಖರ್ಚಿದೀನಿ
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ
ಸೀಕೆ ಅದು
ಸೀಕತ್ತು ಕರ್ಮೇರ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡಕದೆ ಪುಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಬರ್ತರು ಎಂಟು ಖರ್ಚಿಲ್ವಾ ಎಸ್ ಇದು ಪಂಚಿದ್ ನಿಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ಎಸ್ ಕಮ ಆ ಜನ ಸೂಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಂಚಿಕೊಡ್ತು ಮಾರಾಯ
ಬಾಲ ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ ನಾ ಎನ್ನ ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೊಂದು ಚಾದಿಲ್ಲ ಬೋ
ಚಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಚಾ ಬರ್ತಿ ಅದು ಬಡಿಕೆ ಬರ ಚೆಕ್ ಬಡಿಕೆ ಮಂಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬಡಿಕೆ ಮಂಟ ಉಗಾಂಡ ಬೊಂಡ ಚೆನ್ನವಾಗಿ ಉಗಾಂಡ ಕತ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಡಿಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬಾರಿ ಬಂಗಾಯ್ತು ದಾದ ಪಂಡ ಆಲ್ಪದ ಪಡಿಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರ ಲೋಟೆ ಬದ ಬರ್ ದಾಯ ಪಂಡ ಪಡಿಕೆ ಉಗಾಂಡ ಪಡಿಕೆ ಪಂಡ ಬೋಂಡ
ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್
ಅನೆ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೋಂಡತ್ತು ಬೊಂಡ ಬೊಂಡ ಐಟ್ ನೀರು ತಮೆ
ಓ ವರ ಮನ್ಪಲ ಗುಲನ್ ಕೋಪನ
ಆ ಜನ ಒಂದು ತಗಡಿ ಬೆಚ್ಚನ ಯಾ ಆ ಜನ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಆ ಜನ ಬರೀ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಬೈದ್ರು ಅರೆ ಬೊಂಡ ನಾಟ ಅಕ್ಕ ನೀರುಲ್ಲ ಮಣ್ಣೆ ಅವು ಉಗಾಂಡ ಬಡಿಕೆ ಪಂಡ ಬೊಂಡ ಅವು ಅಕ್ಕ ಚಾ ಪಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಅವು ಉಗಾಂಡ ಅಡ್ಡಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಟ್ ಅದೇ ಪಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಪಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಇರ್ಲಾಗಿ ಮುಗಲ್ ಕುಡಿ ಕುಡಿಚಾರ ಮುಗುಂಡ ಬಂದ ಕುಡಿಕ್ಲೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅವು ಅಗೋದೆ ನಿಗುಲಿದ್ದಾರ ಐದು ಜನ ಉಗಾಂಡಡೆ ಪಡಿಕೆ ಬಂಡ ಬೊಂಡ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಯ್
ಮಾಮು ಆಂಡೆ ಚಾಪಾರ್ದು ಮಾಮು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಇನ್ನ ಕಂಡ ಮಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕರೆ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಮು
ಮೂಜಿನಾಲ್ ಎಕರೆ ಉಂಟು ಮಗ
ಓ ಮೂಜಿನಾಲ್ ಎಕರೆ ಅಪ್ಪಡ ಒರಿಜಿನಾಗ ಏತ ಪಾಲ್ತಿಕ್ಕು ಮಾಮು
ಪಾಲದ ಇತ್ತು ರಾಯ ಮಗ ಮಂಡೆ ಬೆಚ್ಚ ಒಯ್ಲ ನಾಗರ ಪಂಚಮಿ ಕರಿಯಡಿ
ನಾಗರ ಪಂಚಮಿ ಯಾ ಬೈದಿ ನಾಗರ ಪಂಚಮಿ ಕಚ್ಚಿ ಚೂರು ಬೇಲಣ್ಣ ಮಾಮು ಓದ್ ಬರ್ತಾ
ಜೋಕುಲಾಂಟಿಗೆ ಪೂರ ಉಂಟಾವ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರಾಹುಲ್ வந்து ಯಾ ಬಂತನ್ ಅಲೆ ಬಂತಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾ ಸಾಲ ಗೊಬ್ಬರೆ ರಾವುಕಿ ಗೊಬ್ಬರನಾ ಗೊಬ್ಬಲೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಯಲ್ಲ ಪಪ್ಪಲಿ ಗೊಬ್ಬಾಲ ಬತ್ತನಕ ಬಾಬಾ ಎಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲೆ ರಜೆ ಪಾಟಿ ಎಂಗನೆ nih aja English salir aja raja bantu tangga sana gobbara open attu oh elani nagara bantarige adindu bela undu oh
magina magalga idali an bela madina yava
ಸೂಪರ್ ಕಲಾ ಆದ್ರೆ
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಅಧೀನದ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಶಂಕರ ಅಡ್ಯಂತಾಯ ಸ್ಮಾರಕ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನ. ಇದು ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿ, ಮಾಹಿತಿ, ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಮುನ್ನಡಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಗಾಗಿ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.